Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at warava.com. Today we're going to make Kara Dosai. Kara Dosai is you're going to make a little bit of nice, spicy, crunchy mixture. Mix it with your dosa batter. Especially, one day you make dosa, second day you make like uttapam but Kara style. Kara style means we're going to make a tempering here. This is going to be fun. Take some oil. In this, we're going to temper it with even red chili, but make red chili small pieces, okay? When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies. This is what will give the taste. First, some Chana Dal, Urad Dal and some crushed red chili. What we're going to do? We're just going to cook till all this is nice and crunchy. I've shown how to make a paniyaram with the leftover idli batter. Today, I'm going to show this with the dosa batter. Once all these ingredients get fried well till they are nice and crunchy, that is how we make our tempering. In this, add chopped green chili, chopped ginger, chopped curry leaf and add some chopped onion also. We're just going to saute this, and here is my dosa batter, but I did not add salt to this yet. I'm going to add some salt, and this crunchy masala is going to go in this. But always remember, don't make this mix in advance and keep. I'm going to make this mini uttapam style right away. So like kal dosai, mix this batter and also adjust the consistency so it is pouring consistency. This is perfect. Now I'm going to make this mini uttapam in this pan. If you want to enjoy this crunchiness, you're going to make it right now, not too big, not too small, with the red chili and so on. See, all you want is variety. Variety is the spice here, and now add little bit oil. I'm just going to put the lid on. You want it to cook nicely on both sides. Just make sure you get a good color on one side, then we're going to turn it to the other side. Even dosais or kal dosai, sometimes we put the lid on top when we don't want crispy, but we want a nice color. When you eat this, one thing is you will enjoy the crunchiness of this and also inside those dals. I especially love the crunchiness of those dals in fried rice. When I make lemon rice, the temperings, in the chutneys, I love it crunchy. This Kara, uttapam or Kara dosai, whatever you call, it will be perfect and you will enjoy it thoroughly. Serve it with your favorite chutney. If it is kids, you never know, they want some tomato ketchup. Good. And this one I'm going to put it upside down like this, just for the color. A little bit of chopped coriander. Now I added little more water. I'm going to make one big one. So, still, see this crunchy bite. Wow, this is going to be too good. The beauty of this Kara is the crunchiness and the spiciness. I just love it. Make sure you fry the dal, the curry leaf. Wow, difference. As I say always, keep cooking awesome food, keep saying whatever, and enjoy life. Look at this, the big mama thing. Wow, this is going to be awesome. Indian style awesome bread.